Artificial intelligence and machine learning are rapidly accelerating across process manufacturing and R&D environments. The operational incentives are massive. Facilities are deploying algorithms to forecast equipment failures, automate deviation analysis, and streamline electronic batch records. This diagram shows the ISA 95 automation hierarchy. Modern AI applications target the exact center of this stack. Level 2, which governs process control and SCADA, and Level 3, the Manufacturing Execution System, or MES. These layers are governed by industrial quality systems like ISO 9001 and IEC 61511. They operate on strict deterministic logic. Every action must follow a rigid sequence, demanding mathematically provable functional safety. Deep neural networks and large language models do not function this way. They operate probabilistically. They weigh inputs and generate outputs based on learned patterns, acting as opaque black boxes where the exact internal reasoning is hidden. Over time, these systems experience model drift. As they ingest new data, they adapt and alter their internal logic automatically, completely bypassing documented change control procedures. Deploying these models natively into regulated environments introduces severe operational risk. Relying on an unpredictable tool to execute rigid protocols is a direct violation of functional safety standards. Consider a live production environment. An AI algorithm monitors spectrometer telemetry, detects an anomaly, and automatically approves a quality result directly within the MES. That single action triggers strict regulatory hurdles. Under 21 CFR Part 11 and GAMP 5, any automated decision impacting product quality requires total traceability and explicit human authorization. This animation illustrates the resulting compliance crisis. When an FDA inspector asks why the algorithm approved that specific deviation, the system cannot produce a mathematical proof of its reasoning. A probabilistic model is structurally incapable of resolving its own policy conflicts or ethical uncertainties. It can guess, but it cannot definitively prove its own boundaries. The industry often assumes that we must wait for perfectly explainable AI to solve this problem before scaling these deployments. Attempting to make the model itself fully interpretable is an engineering trap. Manufacturing compliance requires making the system boundaries around the model deterministic. To deploy AI safely in a GMP environment, we must strip the neural network of its autonomy. The model must be encapsulated with rigid, hard-coded rules. This requires adopting an uncompromising mandate. AI must not act unless it is explicitly allowed to act. Here we see the DaVinciA+ architecture. It is a QMS native validation layer that physically encases the AI. It relies on 3 rigid layers: identity, logic, and oversight, designed to neutralize the model's unpredictability. Layer 1 establishes identity and intent. It maps the AI's functionality to a formal risk classification model. Because our anomaly detection example impacts product quality, it is classified as Tier 3 critical risk. This classification establishes hard-coded boundary walls. The AI is mathematically blocked from altering its own scope or delegating its tasks to unapproved digital pathways. DaVinciA+ converts a volatile, autonomous model into a subservient reasoning engine, operating entirely at the mercy of a deterministic control framework. Returning to our live anomaly detection scenario, we look at Layer 2, knowledge and logic. This orchestration layer forces all AI outputs to pass through deterministic guardrails. Specific conditions must be satisfied for the AI to execute an action. Here, the system requires a minimum confidence score of 0.95. The AI processes the telemetry and outputs a 0.92. The immediate consequence of failing to meet this threshold is a hard pause. The system physically blocks the output signal, preventing the unverified decision from ever reaching the MES. The architecture then triggers an always escalate routing protocol. Decision-making power is instantly removed from the AI and pushed to a human-in-the-loop terminal. The AI cannot resolve its own uncertainty, and it is programmatically incapable of bypassing this guardrail. Layer 2 bridges the gap. It allows the facility to leverage AI for rapid data analysis, while strictly enforcing the 21 CFR Part 11 requirement for human authorization on critical deviations. During a regulatory inspection, an auditor will never accept the algorithm decided as a valid root cause for a quality outcome. This brings us to Layer 3, oversight and audit. Under DaVinciA+, Compliance is continuously exported in real time. The system operates on traceability by design. Every input, scope check, and execution becomes a structured event contract, permanently locked with Alcoa Plus compliant metadata. For our deviation event, the system generates a complete evidence pack. This includes the exact model version, the precise prompt used, the raw sensor telemetry, and the specific guardrail that triggered the pause. Crucially, this evidence pack concludes with an electronic signature. It explicitly identifies the human operator who reviewed the escalated data and authorized the final decision. This solves the black box problem. The model's internal logic remains opaque, but the rigorous mathematical constraints placed upon it are fully proven and documented. When the FDA inspector reviews this event, there is zero ambiguity. They reconstruct what the AI saw, why it was paused, and who approved the final action. Compare this to an ungoverned model silently altering batch records without a trace. The difference is the gap between compliance and critical failure. DaVinciA acts as an overlay. It integrates directly into your existing ISO 13485 or GAMP5 software stack, enforcing deterministic rules on top of probabilistic tools. This enterprise-grade governance structure ensures that every AI deployment produces audit-ready documentation by default. This methodology allows heavily regulated industries to aggressively scale AI innovation across their facilities without scaling their compliance risk. In process manufacturing, we cannot blindly trust the AI. We must build an unyielding, determined